Okay, so now we're ready to start editing some website text. So we're going to do that by left clicking on this text element here, and you can see this little T button at the top left. We click on that and that opens our text editor. Now you can't see the text because it's white and the background's white. So what we do is we change the background color to this, and now we can see the text more clearly. So we've got all the standard text editor tools going along the top here. They're pretty much the same as any other standard text editor, but we have added a couple of features such as the lorem ipsum button, which adds some generic Latin text, and that's for when you're creating a web page but you haven't got the content ready yet. You might just want to populate it with some text just so you can see how it's going to pan out in the long run whilst you wait for the actual text to be written. We've also got this button here which opens up the special characters menu. This includes options such as the euro symbol, the copyright sign, and the ampersand if you haven't got a shortcut down your keyboard. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how we can edit some text. So I'm just going to put my cursor flashing away. I've just put that in there, and I'm going to start typing. So there we go. I've added some text there, and I've also created I've separated the text to create a new paragraph. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to scroll over a random piece of text like that. I'm going to make it bold as if I wanted to make it stand out. And I can make it underlined, and I can make it italic. Once I'm happy with what I've done within this text box or this text element, I click apply. And as you can see, it has added the changes. It's reflected the changes I've made in the text editor. I can go back in and I can make more changes. I could scroll over this entire paragraph and I'm going to change it to a different colour. I'm going to make it red. Okay, and I'm going to change its style, its font family. So I do that in here. I've got a choice of, these are all browser friendly fonts. If you're wondering why there's quite a limited choice, it's because browsers can only interpret basically this many fonts. As time goes on and browsers develop to interpret more fonts, we will add to this list. But at the moment, this is pretty much all the web-friendly fonts. So let's change it to Verdana. There we go. Let's change it to Verdana. As you can see, the top part, the default for this is Arial, which is what the top paragraph is, and this has been changed to Verdana. So let's click apply on that. You'll have to excuse my my styling for this demonstration. It's not the best style. It's just for demonstration purposes. So let's change the colour. Probably nicer. Let's change it to, let's just make it black. There we go. Still pretty bland, but I'm sure if you log in and play around with your home page, your demonstration index page, you can open up the text editor like I've demonstrated, and you can play around with the different styles, and it won't take long before you figure out how all the different tools work. Okay, thanks for watching.